My dear brothers and sisters, what is good about the liturgy and the readings of the whole Lenten season is that we are all being led to at least realize the practices and even the disciplines we would need to live during this holy season. And today, we draw our readings desire to teach us how to see the purpose. Let me say that again. The purpose why we are practicing the discipline and the life of sacrificing and maybe of letting go, of fasting some things during this season. Ang dahilan bakit tayo ay nag-aayuno, bakit tayo nagsasakripisyo, at bakit tayo bumibitaw sa mga bagay na kailangan din muna nating ibitaw sa panahon na ito. In our first reading, God saw how the people practiced fasting. They were not in good terms to each other. They were bragging rights with each other. They were accumulating things rather than sharing things. Nagkakaawayan, nagkakayabangan, at marahil wala na silang nagagawang mabuti para sa bawat isa. And hopefully, this may not be so for us. Dahil ito po ang magandang paalala sa atin. To let our sacrifices bear good fruits rather than raise or make us aware of self-seeking achievements. What do I mean? We hope that our sacrifices may also serve others. I will give up much of my time using my phone so that I can communicate to others personally. I will give up, at least for this season, my favorite fast food chain so that I can offer something in additional to my family, for my family, and for those who are in need of it. I may have to give up my daily pleasures, at least to have a share for the medicine of my parents, for my daily needs, for my child's daily needs, so on and so forth. Nagsasakripisyo tayo para mapabuti ang kapwa-tao. Nagsasakripisyo tayo para lumaki yung ating pag-iintindi kung papaano magmahal. But on the one hand, may we not fall into sacrificing things but then seek self-achievements. Magfa-fast ako para maging mabuti ang pangangatawan ko, para maging slim ako pagdating ng summer. I will let go of my pleasure so that I can save a lot for a travel come after Easter. I will let go of things because I just want to show up. Baka mas yumayabang pa tayo kaysa kaysa nagmamahal pa tayo. Baka mas nawawalan pa tayo ng puso sa iba kaysa umangat yung ating pag-iibigan sa bawat isa. When we sacrifice, we love and think the good of the other. We do not sacrifice and seek only what is for ourselves. When we sacrifice, we also love. My dear friends, when sacrificing something, it is really true that we lose something. What we earn, what we have, and what we hold. Pero ang handang magsakripisyo, Hindi iniisip ang mawawala. Iniisip kung ano yung ikabubuti ng iba. Handang magsakripisyo, handa ding magmahal. Mawalan o mabawasan man tayo, may napakain, may napabuti, nagmahal tayo at napasaya natin ang iba. We may have dropped something, but others will also be able to live well. And to us, practicing, sacrificing, giving up, fasting, or maybe letting go of things, be assured that God's eyes are on you, and He is ready to fill you up the same love that you also shared.